Hi, I'm Abbe Westerlundh, the Regional Product Applications Engineer for Europe here at Infocomm 2013, where we are exhibiting some of the news for the ImagePRO II. Behind me here we have the ImagePRO II Dual. We have also added the second option to the ImagePRO, which is the audio card over here. The audio cards adds multiple embed and de-embed options to the ImagePRO II functions from before. So in the card itself we add an analog in and an analog out, as well as 4 AES EBU in and 4 AES EBU out. These come in addition to the embedded audio that's available on HDMI, DisplayPort and SDI connectors, both in and out. From the de-embedding side, we can here demonstrate that we have a HDMI connected Blu-ray player. It's playing back a standard movie like this, with de-embedding that into the sound of analog.
The Destiny's shoulders! I'm sorry.
It's okie-dokie. Don't keep it inside.
While de-embedding to analog is fine, there's also a latency factor that is automatically calculated on the output. You can also enhance or take away the latency of the audio on your own from 0 to 300 milliseconds. So one of the use cases could actually be that you take in a 1080i with embedded audio and turn it into 720p on the output of the SDI with the latency of the processing itself, which is always going to be 1 frame. However, if you have a longer chain for your audio and projectors afterwards that will also add delay, you can add more delay to your chain, and hence you don't have to put all of your sound through a sound desk with delay. What makes the ImagePRO sound card unique is that we offer multi-embed and multi-disembed at the same time. So all of the embedding and de-embedding is going on at the same time in the card, as opposed to in competing products where they have one channel that is the embedding or de-embedding. For functionality with switching, we have the following. We can have the sound from the actual video, we can have it on a other source, or we can make it follow over to an additional source. So sound can follow or not follow depending on your need of the sound situation. There's also multi-de-embeds, so if you're taking in sound on HDMI and you direct the direct map to HDMI, it means that all sound coming in on HDMI will go out simultaneously on all of the different embed channels that you have. That's one of the new things we have here for the ImagePRO II at Infocomm 2013.